Hello everyone, thank you so much for joining the Stock Martin channel. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're back, welcome back. I do have a very informative and nice video for you today. We are going to be talking about the Tesla stock and very big news that just came out from Cathy Wood from ARK Invests. There was an interview with Yahoo Finance that I will be playing in this video session, and we will be talking about a new price target that Cathy Wood is giving Tesla. And it's big, in my opinion. You're going to really like this video and get a lot of information out of it. But before we get started, if you can, please give me that thumbs up, the like button. It'll help the YouTube algorithm to share this video. Also, please, if you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button, the little notification bell, hit all so you can get all my videos. Well, we are going to jump down into it and talk about this article from Yahoo Finance. And according to Cathy Wood from ARK Invest, she does mention that Tesla stock is worth $3,000. Now, when is this going to be worth $3,000? I'll definitely tell you in the next few minutes. So we have seen that there's a huge influx of electric vehicle production that has just been started, but the pioneer Tesla has always managed to outgrow and outpace all these companies just because they have so much of their factories and infrastructure in place right now. Tesla, if you remember that they do have gigafactories all over the world. In China, they are now building in Europe, in Berlin, in Germany. They're also making a brand new gigafactory in Austin, Texas, where they will be producing the Cybertruck and the semi-Tesla. So Tesla right now does have the ability to produce their vehicles, and they are going very, very large. Cathy Woods did estimate that their stock will be worth $3,000 per share, and she is being conservative on this. And I think this is going to be great, as right now we can get into this stock about $700 per share. According to the interview with Yahoo Finance, Cathy Wood was stated that her estimates of Tesla success has gone up, and the main reason for that is their market share. Instead of going down from year end in the year 2017 till today, it has actually skyrocketed and has really gone up. So right now, Tesla is the main producer of electric vehicles, and it will remain that way going forward. We have seen a lot of electric vehicle companies out there, and especially in China, it has really boomed. We have seen a lot of companies such as NIO and XPeng and Li Auto that are now really forcing and getting all these electric vehicles out there. The main reason is that the Chinese government is backing up and giving a lot of incentives to get the electric vehicles sold to customers and to help with the environment. So we have seen that China is the #1 purchaser of electric vehicles around the world. European market is #2 in the world. The United States is far behind at 3, and hopefully we will start seeing a shift towards electric vehicles, as this will be the future, in my opinion, and will be great for the environment. Now, according to this graph from Yahoo Finance, the title is Tesla Falters in 2021 after a big 2022 year. And here's the stock price of Tesla since January of the year 2020. So at the beginning of the year 2020 in January, this stock was $86. And it has really skyrocketed, and we have hit an all-time high of this stock at almost $900 back in January of this year, 2021. Now, whenever February did happen, we did have a big crash in all the electric vehicle companies and the technology companies, which can be seen here on the graph. And the crash has gone down quite a bit. The lowest that Tesla stock has been was in March at $563. But we'll look into this a little bit more. But as you can see, I believe that this stock has really been oversold, and we are starting to get a nice increase and rebound in the stock price. It is currently trading at $732 as of the last trading day. So it does definitely give you that big potential moving forward to get this stock up, going from According to Cathy Woods, this stock in the year 2025 will be worth around $3,000. And I did want to show you and play this video of the interview that she had with Yahoo Finance.
Cathy, when you originally came out with your prediction on Tesla, I believe it was a $7,000 price target. Really, GM, Ford, Toyota, they weren't doing much in the electric vehicle space, but now that they are, I mean, look, Ford's electric pickup looked pretty cool to me. You know, how does that impact the longer-term growth profile of a company like Tesla?
Well, I think it validates it. According to our estimates, based on Wright's law, which we can get into if you'd like, it's a relative of Moore's law. We believe that electric vehicle sales will shoot up from 2.2 million units last year. Looks like there'll be 3.6 or 3.8 this year, to 40 million in 2025 as electric vehicle prices drop below gas-powered car prices on a like-for-like basis. And our concern about that 40 million number was that other auto manufacturers were not responding rapidly enough. Now what has happened is China, with a big focus on the environment, is subsidizing electric vehicles aggressively. And the supply, therefore, is starting to shift up. So no, we think this is good news. It's validating this massive move from the internal combustion engine and gas-powered cars. We sold 80 to 90 million of them in the last few years per year, to electric, which, as I said, is at such a low base right now. 2.2 last year, maybe 3.6 or 3.8 this year, all the way to 40 million. I think it just tells us that the exponential growth trajectory is in place, and given the way China is subsidizing, we could be conservative.
To your point, I mean, do you see Tesla's fair value above 7,000, just given the year that they have had?
So that original number was on the old stock. We've had a 5-for-1 split. So our new number, our base case for Tesla with this on the split stock is 3,000. The stock right now is a little over 700. On the old basis, that would be 15,000. So what that tells you is our estimate for Tesla's success has gone up. And the main reason for that is their market share, instead of going down from year-end 2017 to today, has actually gone up fairly dramatically around the world.
So now that you watched the video of Cathy Wood and her interview, she really did push that EVs are the future, and that people this year are kind of contemplating if they should buy the internal combustion engine versus the EVs. The biggest bullish part that I got out of this video is that China is really pushing into the electric vehicle market, and they have a huge amount of products out there. But remember, Tesla is all over the world. Tesla is the #1 seller of electric vehicles in China and in America and in Europe as well. So it's not going anywhere, and it is going to continue to exponentially grow, according to Cathy Wood. And I believe that the stock will do quite well in the future. Now, I did want to just talk about the stock price of Tesla. Tesla ended the day on September 3rd, on Friday, at $733.57. And it was pretty much trading sideways. Looking in the past 5 days, we are up almost 2.5%, and we're slowly having a very nice increase in its stock. If you look at the past 1 month, we did have a low of $665 back on August 17th, but we have had a nice growth and a nice recovery in this stock. We have had an increase in about 10% ever since we had that low this month. In the past 6 months, this stock is up a very nice and healthy 18%. We did test a bottom in May, on May 19th at $563, which was an amazing deal, an amazing price for this stock, in my opinion. If you can get this stock under $600, it's a steal of a deal. If you can get this stock under $700, I believe you're getting a wonderful price on this stock. But you can see that we're having a nice regression line. If we were to draw a line of regression, we're having a nice healthy slope moving upwards and starting to rebound in this stock. If we go in the past 1 year, you do see that we're having a very nice increase in this stock. It looks like we were popping up a little bit quickly here, but if we draw a line of regression from the very beginning of September, moving all the way up till now for the 1 year, we are still on that very nice trend upwards. And this is wonderful and great for this stock. And lastly, I did want to talk about TipRanks and their stock forecast for Tesla. We have had 25 reviewers look at this stock. 12 do give it a buy, 7 a hold, 6 a sell. If you average all these together, it is a ranking of hold right now. And now its 1 year forecast is $697, which is about 5% downside. And let me show you why this is. This is because the highest price target of all these analysts is about $1,200, but the lowest price target out of this is $150, which I really don't know what this person was taking or smoking, because I really do not agree with this $150 price. If we do not take this into consideration, in my own opinion, I do believe that Tesla by the end of this year will have a price target of $950 by the end of this year. By December is my price target for this stock. ARK Invest does have their own price target for Tesla for the year 2025. The ARK Invests did say that in the year 2024, the Tesla's price should hit $7,000 per share, which is what you heard in the interview. Now, that was before the 5-to-1 split, so that would be around $1,400 for its adjusted 5-to-1 stock split, which right now we are about halfway there at $730. So based on their research, they now estimate that by the year 2025, Tesla should hit $3,000. And they are using the Monte Carlo model to get these forecasts. And according to these forecasts, ARK Invest did give us different scenarios on their 2025 price forecast. So there is in its barest case, in its worst case scenario, which is about 25% probability, ARK Invest does mention that the 2025 price target should be about $1,500 for Tesla. And again, that is about 25% probability. The other 25% probability in its bullish case, in its best case scenario, is that Tesla stock could be worth $4,000 by the year 2025. Now, the expected value, which was mentioned in the interview, was that Tesla stock will be about $3,000 of price target. And this is about a 50% chance that this could happen. And again, this is based on their Monte Carlo analysis. Well, I did want to mention that Tesla stock, in my opinion, is one of the best stocks out there right now. It is not just only an automaker company, it is also a technology company. It has a wonderful product. Also, it has the ability now to charge other electric vehicles. So remember, Tesla has the biggest infrastructure of charging electric vehicles out there in the world. And it is now released that it will be allowing non-Tesla owners to charge their electric vehicles in the future for a rate. And I think this is a very smart idea. According to Elon Musk and the team on Tesla, they have a very incredible product and they have a very smart management team to get this stock rolling. Well, I hope you like this video. Please, if you can, give me that thumbs up, the like button. I'd greatly appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button, the notification bell, hit all so you can get all my videos. I greatly appreciate you joining this channel and joining my videos and watching them. Please, if you can, continue to share this with your family, your friends, your coworkers, that next door neighbor, and I can't wait to talk to you on the next one. Thank you. Down below, if you would like to help out the channel, I put 2 links. One's for Webull. If you open an account, deposit $100, you get 2 free stocks valued up to $1,850. If you deposit $100 into Coinbase, you get $10 of cryptocurrency and trading. Thank you for supporting the channel.